Hello, in this video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. I'm gonna show you what is inside the box, what we can find inside, what is included, and also I'm gonna quickly show you how the tablet looks like. So of course, in order to open the tablet, we need to take a look at the back. Over here we have two seals, one at the top and one at the bottom. Of course, we need to take them out. So let's try to do this. There we go, we have one, and of course one at the bottom. There we go. All right, there we go. Now let's open the box. It comes out really easily. There we go, we have our tablet. Let's see if there is actually, anyway, there we go. At the bottom over here we have this tongue-like thing. We can use it in order to easily take out our tablet. But first, before we move on to the tablet, I'm gonna actually put it aside for a sec, and first I'm gonna show you what it's inside. So inside the box we have, of course, the pen. It looks pretty huge, not gonna lie, but I think this is the standard size for most of the tablets so far. We have a button over here, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Let's put it back in. Over here we have some paper boxes. Let's see if I can take them out. There we go. And let's see what we got here. So in this one, I think we can open it this way from the back. There we go. Oh, so here we have the USB cable, which is USB-C, of course. This is how it looks like. But it seems that there is no power adapter, so we need to use from our smartphone or something else that we have, or we need to purchase the power adapter individually. So keep that in mind, that if you wish to have the power adapter just for your tablet, it's quite tricky to put it back on, but there we go. All right, let's close this and let's move on to the next thing. I'm sorry for taking that much time. I'm gonna actually put this aside for now to not waste more of your time. We have one more box over here, and I think that's about it. Yeah, there's nothing left here, but here we have the pin ejector tool, so we can take out the SIM tray. And over here we also have some additional papers. If I open this, then over here, I'm not gonna bother to take this out, but you can see there's a bunch of papers, so I assume this is just like manual, like a short manual, perhaps a warranty as well. So if you're looking for those stuff, then you can find them in this smaller paper box over here. All right, so now over here we have the tablet. Here we have the back. So let me actually take out this, let me remove this paper thing before I show you how it looks like. By the way, if you're looking for the safest way, let's call it the safest way to actually get rid of this paper, then over here at the back you can see the cameras here. You will have it sealed like this, so you want to take it out on this side here. It comes out really easily. We have a little tape here or something similar to that, and then you should be able to easily take out the tablet. And there you go, we have our Galaxy Tab unpacked. This is of course S10 Plus, so we have 12.4 inches of the display size, and of course at the back it looks like this. We have two camera lenses on the right side. We have the space for the pen next to the camera lenses. We also have the flashlight next to the cameras, and yeah, and let me take a quick look around and what we else have over here. We have, I think, something like that looks like speakers. On the right side here we have the USB input and another pair of speakers, and then at the top here we can find some buttons. Over here we have one button, another button over here, and of course the SIM tray on the right side. And that's pretty much it. This is how the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus looks like. Sorry for the lack of focus. There we go, we are back. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.